Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to optimize Google Chrome settings on your PC for better speed, privacy, and smoother browsing. If Chrome feels a bit slow or heavy lately, these tweaks really help. All right, first things first, open Google Chrome, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. Now go to the On Startup section. Select Open the New Tab page. This prevents Chrome from loading heavy pages every time you launch it. Next, click on Extensions. Disable anything you don't really use. Too many active extensions can slow Chrome down quite a bit. Head over to Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Cookies, then clear them. This can fix sluggish performance and loading issues. Scroll down and click System. Make sure Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed is turned off. This stops Chrome from quietly using memory. While you're here, check that Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. This lets Chrome use your GPU for smoother visuals. Optional but nice. Go to Appearance. You can hide the bookmarks bar if you don't use it. A cleaner interface feels faster and less cluttered. If Chrome is still acting weird, open Reset Settings. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This can solve many hidden issues, and that's it. With these adjustments, Chrome should feel lighter, faster, and more responsive. Simple changes, but they make a real difference.